How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of greasy hair without washing it. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So in this video, I will talk about how to get rid of greasy hair without washing it. Now, we all at times have had greasy hair. So what can we do to get rid of it without washing it? Tip 1, reduce the amount of hair products you use. If you use a ton of hair gel, mousse, or hairspray, this can definitely be a reason why you are getting greasy hair. I know it may come as a surprise to you, but this is exactly what causes greasy hair, you guys. If you want to reduce your greasy hair, just limit the amount of products you use. You don't have to completely get rid of it, just limit the usage, you guys. Tip 2 is use oat water. I recommend mixing oats and water. You then want to put the oats and the water in the microwave until the oats are done. You then will pour the oats and the water over your head and let it sit for a few minutes. Make sure the oats and the water are not that hot from the microwave or you can burn yourself, you guys. So that's the little disclaimer. Allow the oats and the water to cool off for a bit before you put it on your head. Just test it out, put a little bit on your hand first, let it sit for a minute. If it's good, if it's not that warm, then you're fine. This mixture is amazing for getting rid of greasy hair and really works wonders. Trust me, you guys, a lot of people use this and have been used for some time to help get rid of greasy hairs. So it's an old school method. These, in my opinion, are sometimes the best methods. Tip 3, use lemon juice. Lemon juice has many great properties. One of its properties is that it can get rid of greasy hair. Squeeze 3 lemons in a glass and then pour the glass over your hair. Rub it in your hair and let it sit for 10 minutes. After that, rinse it off with warm water. This trick has been used for many years and is really awesome. Give it a try. Tip 4, get a haircut. It's a lot easier to manage short hair than if you have extremely long hair. This goes for both males and for females, you guys. Girls, you don't need to shave your head, but by cutting it even just a little bit, it can improve the grease. Guys, if you have super long hair, maybe try a shorter haircut. This can make it more manageable so you don't have a lot of grease buildup. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.